Thor and Moostachio versus the Red Doctors by Granth. Illustrated by Rawson. In England, 3 red doctors made a bunch of monsters. One was good, but the rest were bad. The red doctors sent the monsters to Viking land, which was the village where Thor and the other Vikings lived. Thor had a pet moose named Moostachio. Meanwhile, at Thor's house, Moostachio and Thor were playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Moostachio was beating Thor. Suddenly, Thor and Moostachio heard someone scream. They looked outside. They saw a bunch of monsters. Ah! They went outside to fight the monsters. A monster snuck up behind them and said, "Boo!" Thor and Moostachio jumped into their hot tub because of how scared they were. And they hid there for like 24 hours. When they got out, they saw 3 red doctors, but they were too scared to fight. When they looked out again, they saw 3 red doctors and all the monsters destroying the village. So they got up all their courage and went out to battle the monsters and doctors. Oh, we will floss twice a day. Too dangerous. Must be in Flip-O-Rama. Let's try the Flip-O-Rama. Too dangerous, must be a Flip-O-Rama Part 2. Seriously, don't do the Flip-O-Rama. It's crazy dangerous. Let's try anyways. If you want to do this, you must give yourself 20 spankings and a 24-hour timeout. Don't dare do the Flip-O-Ramas. We did the Flip-O-Ramas. At the end, Thor and Moostachio won. They looked at the pile of dead monsters for a while and then went home. They played Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, but in the end, Thor won. I won! The end. Why did we lose?